Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, oh, itu Sabio, Oga.
Sergeant, yes sir. As we mount these roadblocks, anybody, any keke, any motor, even individual where they use leg pass. Pina, you hear me so? And if there anybody will not pay you, it's another from above. People, you hear what they talk to?
Oga, don't worry yourself about that one. I know my work. Anybody will pass this road today will not drop anything. They go see what I go do next day.
Because now here we want to collect our weekend money. You hear that sound?
I hear about the place now children they back they chop biscuit. You know children of nowadays biscuit.
All these children are so that when they play with person you. Officer, you come now. Yeah, now you stop king. Oh yeah. Stand for your Wait, but this sound, you sure say not be those people?
Okay, this thing, I mean, if I don't fear. I think now children they back there they chop biscuit. I don't understand. Okay, this I said I'm not so I'm not Now this kind of people they give robbers information.
Hey, where you come here?
What is up? My friend, come here. What is on it? See this one.
Denied.
Officer, that woman kept her wow.
I said that woman a wrestler. Now WrestleMania should be. He dey work 5 for WrestleMania.
Officer, una good money. But anyways, when I don't mind that man wey beat you at that time, now so she dey beat her husband for house. When I dey do a nice job, when I try. Well done. My friend, shut up! Which one be woman beat her and your wife not dey beat you? Officer, search this guy now. The armed robbers they shoot gun. Now they give them information.
My friend, will
I say search.
I want search you. They do anyhow. Officer, see exhibit A. Like this one.
This one exhibit A now. This is exhibit A now. Officer, arrest this man. My brother, you're under arrest too. For what? For being in possession of unauthorized and a sophisticated key. Now that they open for us, they kidnap us. Officer, arrest this man now. Why is they wait? Move it.